sort of fire kind of took out my pig pen, but slowly encroached my house and came about 40 feet from my house over here. I was able to contain the fire from burning down both of my structures. This fire is kind of a blessing to make people wake up and realize that there's more important things other than just the tangible things that everybody thinks is way more important. I think the good thing is that it brought camaraderie back within our community that really counts the most on how we should care for each other in despite of all these other issues.
I just had the day off and I just wanted to just help out the community. I couldn't imagine leaving my home and all of my possessions, and I think it's really good that we're all banding together in the community to just help anybody in need right now. So that's why I'm here.
The response is overwhelmingly wonderful. Massive aloha. Everybody coming by, pitching in, making donations. I've seen some fundraising things online, and every day they grow enormously. There's a lot of aloha here, and people are great that way. We really come together. That's island living. That's island living. It's like one canoe, really, and we're all part of that. It's been very, very moving.
It humbles me. It just really does. For all the support. It's just like my heart, I cannot comprehend how much support we've been having. And I just want to thank every single